Be ready. Start. Madam, the railway minister has again come before the house with his appropriation bill. Stop. Taking advantage of the occasion, I would like to put some points about the performance of the railways before the Honorable Minister for clarification. Stanza. While the Honorable Minister has come out with his appropriation bill, he has also come up with another proposal that to implement the pay commissions award, he will have to raise some monies to the tune of rupees 320 crores by raising the freight structure of the Indian Railways. Stop. Only 9 months back, when the railway budget was placed before Parliament, the railway minister justified the necessity for a hike in passenger fares, and that too for better performance of the railways and for giving more amenities to the passengers. Stop. Of course, there is not enough scope for a thorough review of the performance of the railways during the last 9 months, but still some points may be raised, discussed. Stop. Definitely the minister will take pride in his own performance. Stop. But I do not know whether the Honorable Minister has any knowledge or connection with what the passengers say about the railways. Stop. Perhaps he may not be having any contact with the ordinary public who travels by the railways. Stop. They have a number of substantial complaints against the performance of the railways. Stop. True, some new trains have been introduced during this time, and for some of the trains the running time has been reduced, but not to the extent to which it was there 5 or 6 years back. Stop. But if you look at the railway system as a whole, you will find that improvement of the total railway system has remained at a big zero. There is no improvement if you look at the overall performance of the railways. Stanza. Madam, during this period, both the passenger traffic and the freight traffic have gone up, and that has given additional revenue to the railway administration. Stop. But what about proper utilization of the money that the railways are earning for the proper administration of the railway system? Stop. Now, on the one hand, the railway minister has come up with a proposal for a hike in the freight structure, and on the other, the railway ministry has decided to set up a railway finance corporation to raise rupees 250 crores because of inadequacy of budgetary support for the Indian Railways. Full stop. Over.